Okay, let's say you're running a doggy daycare, and when the owner comes pick up their dog, they're going to type in their dog's name exactly the way they did when they registered the dog. If they type it incorrectly, you're going to say, you know, thank you, your dog's ready to see you. Otherwise, print, stay away from our dogs. Okay. So since we want to have an input, we have to have a variable. I just call it name equals input. It's not a number, so we don't have to worry about integer or float. Parentheses. Okay, so we're going to have them enter their dog's name. I'm going to say if name equals, and remember with equals we have to use two equal signs. And let's say this person's dog's name is Spot. I know, that's real creative. Okay, we put our colon on the end so it automatically indents. We'll print parentheses, quotation marks. The Spot is happy to see you. Oops. There we go. Now, if they didn't type in the correct name, we want to tell them to stay away from our dogs. So here's where you can say else, put a colon so it indents there. Print, stay away, you dog thief. Now you'll notice that this is red up here and this is black down here. I forgot to put the parentheses in. So I'll go back and do that. Okay. So now if I type in Spot, Spot is happy to see you. Let's say I type in Rover, another original name. Stay away, you dog thief. Okay, and we could try different names in there, and this code should work. So that's how if else works.